Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's such an exciting time. The spring is just around the corner. We all have been waiting for this time for such a long time, and we finally made it. Today's video, I'll be covering the most asked questions of the season. You go to any social media and the first question you see people asking is, what shoe are we wearing for spring? Spring is such a season where it gives you opportunity to style, especially for the shoes. This is a season where you are not supposed to be limited to wearing boots or sneakers. It's a season you can try out many different styles as you like. The option is diverse, so I picked some of the shoes. Do let me know what kind of shoes you guys are planning on wearing this spring. For me, it includes open toes, closed toes, sneakers, and lots of different options. It includes heels, high heels, block heels, flats, lots of different things. So let me know what you think of my collection. I plan on walking a lot during the spring. We go out and it includes a lot of walking, so my shoes have to be very comfortable. Keeping that in mind, I never go for pencil heels. I never go for too high of a heel, even though I want to add some height, because I'm not that tall. So I'm gonna show you collection of spring shoes. It definitely has to be very comfortable, so I can walk for a longer time without having any pain. And also, when I was in my teens, I used to wear a lot of high heels, like for every day during my class. Even when I started working, I used to wear heels for like long 8 to 10 hours. I don't know how I did that. Now I'm just a sneaker girl, and I don't really wear heels other than it's really necessary. All right, so I recently went to the mall. I ended up getting from a store which I'm not a really fan of, but I don't know, this season I think they have a number of cute collections. So I just stopped by and I ended up buying 2 pairs because they're still having, by the way, the buy one get one 40% off. So I was just reading the sign and I was like, okay, let's see if they have anything, and I found some. Also, because I don't have anything nice which is like not open toe and low, so I wanted a sandal which would be covering the toes and very comfortable and not too high. And I'll show you, I ended up getting these. I think these are very cute and in style. And I tried them on in the store and they were very comfortable. The material is vegan leather. They seem very durable and comfortable. So just got them. What do you guys think? I found them really cute. They are like ballet style, very classic. You can style them, you can just wear, I think you can wear them with dresses, skirt, jeans, any kind of linen pants, also for daily errands. And you can also wear them to work, your classes. I think these are multifunctional, so I just got them. And the color is also like a combination of black and beige, which are the colors I like. That's also one of the reasons I got them for. First pair that's new and I love wearing them. The other pair I got from the same store. I'll show you. It's this pair. For a long time I wanted to have a formal shoe which is not a pencil heel, but high. And I do have a lot of pointy toes, so this time I wanted something which is not pointy but covered. So this is also very nice vegan leather, and I love how this belt is here, which gives me a great support, because when I try on the usual ones without the strap, it's very uncomfortable because my foot keeps coming off this edge. So this one I really fell in love the moment I saw, and this is also very comfortable. I wore them for like I think 6 hours the other day, and it was very comfortable, so definitely recommend them. These are from Cold Spring. To show you, I do have some more on the high heel ones, which are platform heels, by the way. um, so one of them is this. I really fell for this because of this jute detail. I'm really falling for jute products this season, and really love the color white, because I think I don't really have many white pair of shoes. And this one also has a belt which goes double times, and there is a buckle. The hard part is the buckle though, because this is like an actual buckle though, which you have to give some time to put on. Other than that, since it's a platform heel, it's almost like a 6-inch heel, which makes me feel really tall, and I love that. Really comfortable shoe, and a nice one. You can wear it with, again, any kind of outfit. This pair is from Alo. I don't know why for heels I always end up buying from store I don't really like, but sometimes they do have really nice pairs. Other pair is this. The color really got me, so I didn't really have any other very bright color heels, so just had to get this one. I love this heel, how it gives you an illusion of a pencil heel, but it's not. So because it's not a pencil heel, it's very comfortable for me, and it's not too high, so that for that reason you don't really get a painful feeling after a few hours. So this is also not new, but I believe it was also okay. This is also vegan leather, and okay, from College Spring. I'm not sure if they have it still, but I believe I saw similar collections of strap heels in the store, so you can check online what they have. I really love sometimes to wear some bright heels when my outfit is a little boring, so it adds some color and charm. For sneakers though, obviously not getting rid of Sambas. Sambas are must have for the season, so I really wanted to get some other colors too, but I felt like Sambas have a really thin sole, so I think it's not really something I would wear like every day, because I really do prefer adding some some inches to my height. So for that reason, I just ended up getting so I just ended up having just this pair, and I don't really have to explain so much about Sambas. Y'all love it. We all love it. So I have these Nike. I don't know why I got them. I bought them last year, but I never really wore them anywhere. I really fell for the color because I think the color is very light and spring friendly. It's like a cute lavender kind of thing, but I do believe I bought, yeah, I did buy a kid size. I bought a 5.5 kid size for the shoes. I think this would be really nice with denim skirt or denim shorts, dresses, white skirt, anything light. I feel like this year maybe I will be able to wear them. Love this color, get it, because I feel like it's really cute and you don't really see people wearing them all the time, so you can be unique. And last but not the least, for most of the days I believe I'll be wearing my New Balance, because as I said, these are not as low as the Sambas and it gives me good grip and very comfortable. So Sambas would be my go-to shoes whenever I have to put on regular sneakers. Also, if you ask me for my most favorite pair of sneakers, that would be my Golden Goose. Golden Goose are not too comfortable because it's quite hard. Even when you wear them for a number of times, it still stays quite hard. So I love wearing them, but not when I have to walk quite a bit. So this is the one I have. I do have more colors, but this color is the best one I love. So basically, that's about my spring shoe collection. Now I'm planning on wearing these pairs for the season, and I do have a lot of open toe heels from previous seasons, but I don't think I'll be wearing open toes this season. For some reason, I'm not feeling like showing my toes this year. So colors, I believe they go very well with many different other colors of your outfit. Um, So yeah, let me know guys what you think about it, and do suggest me if you have any unique pair of shoes in mind or that you own that you want me to try on. So I'll definitely try on and tag you in.